caustic wash settler vessel was found to have significant cracking due to caustic stress corrosion, following the failure of an earlier organic lining. IGS upgraded the internal surfaces using HVTS, installing a metallic barrier resistant to high pH process environments. The work was performed in a confined, congested area during a turnaround, using full extraction and ventilation control. Since installation, no further degradation has been recorded, and the vessel has remained in continuous service. Protection upgraded, service sustained. That's asset vitality.